Jennifer here. I am a territory manager for Group Stahl. I cover Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas, Kansas, and Missouri. Thank you so much for checking us out today. I am going to go over how to properly load a garment onto a heat press. Whether you have the Hotronix brand of heat press or maybe another brand of heat press, we're going to walk you through some tips and tricks on how to successfully load and press a garment onto a heat press. I'm going to walk you through interchangeable platens with the Hotronix brand. If you don't happen to have a Hotronix brand or interchangeable platens, we've got some other great tools that you can utilize to successfully apply a heat transfer. Come on over to the heat press and we'll dive in. So I want to show you how I see most folks that are just starting out in the business or possibly just not as familiar with heat pressing, how you might see some people or how you might even be decorating a garment. We oftentimes see a lot of people doubling up their garment, meaning they're laying both layers of the garment down with the collar furthest away from them and the bottom of the garment closest away from them. This can cause a couple of different issues. You might have seams in the way. You really don't want to double up your fabric if you possibly can avoid it. So really, truly, the proper way to load a garment and press your heat press is to flip it over, open it up, and what we call thread it on to your bottom platen. So you can see here, the bottom of the garment is furthest away from me, the collar is closest towards me, and only one layer of fabric is on my lower platen. This also is great because it allows the seams to hang off my platen, my collar is off my platen, and everything makes for a nice, smooth, even application, which is really crucial for durability and longevity of a good quality heat transfer. So this is how you would load a crew neck, very basic t-shirt or garment. But let's say your next project is a left chest logo. Let's see how we can do that. Let's say you have to decorate a left chest logo on a button-down polo shirt, but you might not have interchangeable platens to be able to do that. Not a problem at all. You can use one of our great accessories, a heat printing pillow. This is a soft foam interior with a non-stick cover shell. Great tool for being able to do left chest logo. So I'm just going to slide this pillow right into my polo shirt. This allows the buttons or maybe even a zipper on a quarter zip to just sink into my pillow so that I don't crack or melt my buttons or my zippers. Just a great little handy tool to have. These come in 4 sizes. We're going to show you a couple more sizes as well. And this just makes it really easy to be able to lay your left chest logo down, press, and the buttons nicely sink into the pillow. So that is how you would successfully decorate a left chest logo without interchangeable platens. But let's say you have the luxury of interchangeable platens. With the Hotronix brand of heat press, makes it really easy. With your quick release lever, you can pop out your 16 by 20. And now you can pop in something like our 6 by 10 platen. This makes decorating your left chest items on a polo shirt or a quarter zip extremely easy. Now just remember a little tip. When you're doing a left chest logo with a smaller interchangeable platen, you're going to want to adjust your pressure accordingly so that you don't get a very noticeable box mark or square mark. Great way to do a left chest logo. For our next garment, I'm going to show you how to successfully load and decorate a hooded sweatshirt. So again, we're going to pop out our 6 by 10 platen here. And now we're going to drop in our 11 by 15. The great feature about this particular heat press is you can drop it in portrait mode or landscape mode. And I'll show you guys how great it is to have a landscape mode interchangeable platen. You're going to take your hooded sweatshirt, again, loading it upside down. And this allows the collar of my shirt to hang off beautifully, all my seams, as well as my pocket down on the bottom. Makes it extremely easy to decorate a nice, smooth, even surface with none of my seams, none of my cording, none of my pockets impeding the application. Makes it super, super simple and successful. Now again, if you don't have an interchangeable platen, not to worry. A great accessory is our little 15 by 15 pillow. So you're just going to load your pillow inside of your sweatshirt. This is for those of you that don't have interchangeable platens or a way to thread your garment onto your heat press. You can simply take your pillow, pop it inside, and then what that does is that allows you to apply successfully with all of the seams, the pockets, the cording, everything hanging off of your platen that could possibly impede a nice, smooth application. So the next garment I'm going to show you guys today is a pair of joggers. We are just going to quickly pop our 11 by 15 platen out, and we are going to drop in our 6 by 20 leg and sleeve platen. This makes decorating the leg of pants, sleeves, jackets, extremely easy. Again, the goal is to make sure all of the pockets, the seams, any zippers are hanging off your platen so that all that's on your platen is smooth fabric. Really, really easy. And for those of you that may not have the ability for interchangeable platens or a leg and sleeve platen, a great tool is our leg and sleeve pillow. You would just slide it right into your pant leg, be able to successfully apply one layer of fabric without any seams or anything impeding a nice smooth application. We've gone over how to properly load your garments onto a heat press, a few tips and tricks, some tools to successfully apply your heat transfers. We went over heat printing pillows as a little tool that you can use if you don't have interchangeable platens. Now I want to go over one more tool with you. We have heat printing pads. These are a great alternative to the heat printing pillows. If you're using Stahls heat transfer vinyl or digital transfers, the heat printing pillows are a great tool to use. If you're using Transfer Express screen printed transfers, you don't want to use the pillows. They're a little bit too soft on the edges, and you can run into durability and longevity issues with screen printed transfers. This is where heat printing pads are a great alternative. You can purchase these in 4 different sizes, and they make it really easy to just pop inside your garments, lift up the area that you want to apply to. Makes it super, super easy. For all of the items that you have seen in the videos today, make sure you check out the links below. Make sure you subscribe, like, and follow us. Thank you so much.